Hello everyone, welcome to another lab session of Python programming. Now in today's video we'll be discussing about 3 tasks that you have to perform in today's lab session. Let's go ahead. So here is our first task for the lab. First of all, as you can see, you have to create a string with your full name followed by your country name. For example, my name is Soumya Chaturvedi, so I'll be writing my full name as Dr. Soumya Chaturvedi and then followed by my country name, that is India. Okay, now afterwards you have to get the size of the string. Whatever you have stored, your full name followed by the country, you have to calculate the size of the string. Then the third task is using in keyword. We have studied that in our class. Using in keyword, whether a particular text is present in the string. The given text here is India. So if your country is India, then it will be giving you a Boolean value true, that it is present. Or if your country is not India, then your output will be false, that this India is not present in that. Okay, afterwards with the same string you have to print only the last name using string slicing. Remember, we have done the exercise in the class for string slicing, that you have to provide the index range, that from which position, which index number you want to start, and up to the range of. So you have to wisely choose in your that at what index your last name is starting and where it is ending. Okay, now the last task, subtask of this task 1 is print the last letter of your string using negative indexing. I believe that the last letter of your string will be either A from India or the last letter from your country name. Okay, this you have to do by using negative indexing. Let's move ahead for the second task. Here is the second task for the lab, that is you have to create a string with the name txt that is shown on the screen. So you particularly you have to store this. Don't rush into things, make sure you know what is going to happen next. You would not jump off a cliff without first checking how far the ground is below or what there is to land on. So you have to create this particular string. Please mind whatever is written exactly you have to write like this. Then find out the length of this string. Then you have to count number of spaces in the string. Then you have to print the particular text from the string, that is length, using the slicing method. So wisely you have to get this, okay, particular index ranges in the slicing method, and then you can print that part. The fourth subtask here is now that, as you can see here, some of the letters are capital, some of the letters are small. You have to convert the whole string into the uppercase, then convert the whole string into the lowercase, and in last I want you to convert it into the title case. Title case means every word will have first letter as a capital and then rest of the letters will be small, like you can see in don't, like you can see in make. Okay, that the first letter will be capital and the rest are in the small. This is called as title case, or in the variable name we have discussed with the name of camel case, right? The fourth we have already done. Fifth subtask is you have to replace a word you by we everywhere in the given string. Then you have to count how many times letter O occurred in the given string. Finally, you have to split the string into substrings on occurrence of any spaces in it. So whenever there is a space, your string will be split. Remember, the splitted output will be a list of substrings. Now let's move forward to the last task of the lab. Here is the task 3 for today's lab. That is, first of all, you have to print a given statement. He said, what's there? And mind those quotes in the text. So this you have to print using the escape characters that we have discussed in our class. Secondly, you have to use formatting method to print a particular statement. I want to pay $49.95 for 3 pieces of item 567. So quantity, item number and price is given. You have to use format method and suitable placeholder indexes to print this particular text. It is similar to the exercise that we have done in our class. I hope everyone will do it. That's all in today's video session. Thank you.